2025 Bugatti, a hypercar that redefines luxury and performance. Let's dive into its stunning design, cutting-edge features, and incredible capabilities. The Bugatti's headlights are a work of art, with a sleek, angular design that sets the tone for the car's aggressive stance. The doors and side panels are crafted from lightweight materials, ensuring exceptional strength and agility. The taillights are a masterpiece, with a unique LED design that illuminates the road behind. Inside, you'll find premium leather, advanced infotainment, and a cockpit designed for ultimate driver engagement. The center console features a stunning display screen and intuitive controls, putting everything at your fingertips. The 2025 Bugatti starts at $2.5 million, a price that reflects its exclusivity and exceptional performance. With an 8.0L W16 engine producing 1,600 horsepower, this car can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds and top out at 330 miles per hour. The Bugatti features an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction and control in any conditions. Each Bugatti is tailored to its owner's preferences, offering unparalleled personalization. The 2025 Bugatti is a masterpiece of engineering, design, and luxury. If you're lucky enough to own one, you'll experience the ultimate in driving excitement and exclusivity.